Hey everyone! Welcome to another shadowing practice session. Today is something special. We're going to practice a real phone conversation between two friends, Anna and Tom. This is perfect for beginners who want to sound natural when speaking English on the phone or making plans with friends. Here's what makes this video different. Instead of just sentences, you'll hear an actual dialogue, back and forth, just like a real conversation. You'll practice informal expressions, casual language, and how native speakers really talk. The conversation is about making plans to see a movie together. Super practical, super useful. How to practice? Shadow along with me. Speak at the same time as the audio, matching the rhythm and intonation. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along naturally. Don't worry about being perfect. Just let your mouth practice the movements and the natural flow of conversation. Ready? Let's listen to Anna and Tom's conversation.
Hello?
Hey, Anna, it's Tom. How are you doing?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, thanks. Is this a good time to talk?
Yeah, it's perfect. I just wanted to call and say hi.
Oh, cool. Are you at home right now?
Actually, I'm at the grocery store.
Oh, are you getting groceries?
Yeah, just picking up a few things.
I need some milk and maybe some bread, too?
All right. Are you heading home soon?
I'm on my way now. I'll be home in about 15 minutes.
Okay, cool. I was thinking about the movie.
The one we wanted to see?
Exactly. It starts at 7 tonight. Are you still free?
Oh, awesome. Yes, I am.
So, should we meet at the theater?
Could you pick me up? My car's a bit dirty.
No problem. I can do that.
Great. Around 6:30 then?
Perfect.
Don't forget the popcorn money.
Just kidding. I won't.
All right, I'll see you then.
You too. Have a safe trip home.
Thanks, Tom. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Great job! You just shadowed a complete phone conversation between two friends. You practiced greetings and small talk, making plans, casual English expressions, and natural conversation flow. Now, let's reinforce some key vocabulary from that conversation. I'll say each word slowly and clearly. Shadow along with me to lock these words into your memory. Let's practice. 1. Phone. Phone. 2. Call. Call. 3. Talk. Talk. 4. Heading. Heading. 5. Movie. Movie. 6. Theater. Theater. 7. Pick up. Pick up. 8. Meet. Meet. Awesome work! You just completed a full phone conversation practice. Here's what you accomplished. You shadowed 27 lines of natural dialogue. You practiced casual, everyday English. You learned how friends really talk on the phone. And you reinforced 8 important vocabulary words. Now, here's the important part. This conversation is gold for your speaking practice. Don't just watch it once and move on. Your challenge? Come back tomorrow and shadow this conversation again. Then again the next day. And the next. Why? Because repetition builds fluency. Every time you practice, your mouth gets more comfortable with these natural English patterns. Want more practice like this? Check out my shadowing practice playlist below. Each video has real-life conversations and situations. Practice 10 to 15 minutes daily and watch your speaking transform. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more realistic English practice. Comment below. What conversation should I create next? Restaurant? Doctor's office? Job interview? Remember, you don't learn to speak by studying. You learn to speak by speaking. So keep practicing, keep shadowing, and I'll see you in the next video.